Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to insert text box in Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to add a text box to your specific Google document, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To insert a text box in a Google Docs file, first, open Google Docs in your computer web browser and log in to your account. Once you are in Google Docs, create a new document or open an existing one. You will see various menu options at the top of the screen. Click on the Insert menu at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Drawing and then click New from the right side. A drawing pop-up screen appears. In the Drawing dialog, click on the text box icon at the top of the screen. Click and drag in the drawing area to create the text box. Now, a text box will appear in the drawing area where you can type your text. Enter your text in the text box. You can adjust the size of the text box by dragging the corners. You can customize the text by changing the font family, text size, color, box border, and more from the toolbar at the top. Once you're done, click the Save and Close button in the top right corner of the drawing screen. The text box will now appear in your document. You can click on the text box to move it around the document. You can also resize it if needed. By following these simple steps, you can easily insert a text box into your Google Docs document.